Imagine you're part of a team trying to build the next big app, but things change rapidly, features shift, deadlines loom, and feedback keeps pouring in. How do you stay focused and deliver high quality work on time? That's where Scrum comes in, a framework designed to help teams thrive in chaos, adapt to change, and deliver value quickly. What is Scrum? Scrum is an agile framework used to help teams work together on complex projects. It breaks work into small, manageable pieces, usually in time box iterations called sprints, typically 1 to 4 weeks long. Scrum is rooted in collaboration, flexibility, and continuous improvement. Scrum roles. There are three key roles in Scrum. The product owner. He or she represents the stakeholders and define the work to be done, prioritizing the product backlog. The Scrum Master ensures the team follow the Scrum principles, removes blockers, and facilitates the Scrum process. The development team. The self-organizing cross-functional team is responsible for the delivery the product increment by the end of each sprint. Now, the Scrum artifacts. Scrum has three main artifacts. The product backlog. This is a list of all desired work or features maintained by the product owner. The sprint backlog. A subset of the product backlog items selected for the current sprint. And we have the increments, the working product or deliverable produced at the end of a sprint, which should, of course, be usable and potentially shippable. Now, let's talk about the Scrum events. We have the sprint, a time box period where the team works to complete a set of backlog items. We also have the sprint planning. The team and the product owner meet to discuss and plan which items will be completed in the sprint. We have the daily Scrum, also known as the Stand-Up, a 15 minutes meeting where the team discusses progress, obstacles, and plans for the day. The Sprint Review, a demonstration of completed work to stakeholders with the purpose of gathering feedback. We have the Sprint Retrospective, a section for the team to reflect on the sprint and find ways to improve in the next one. Now, Scrum values. We have 5 Scrum values. 1. Commitment. Team members are dedicated to achieving the sprint goal. Focus. The team focuses on delivering value. Openness, transparency in the process and challenges. Respect for each other's role and contribution. Courage to do what's right and to improve the process. Scrum workflow. The workflow starts with the product owner prioritizing the product backlog, and then during the sprint planning, the team selects the items to be worked on, creating the sprint backlog. And then we move on to the daily Scrum, which ensures that there's progress and is on track. After the sprint ends, the sprint review gathers feedback, and finally, the retrospective identifies improvements. Scrum has various benefits. Scrum encourages continuous improvement, adaptability to changes, transparency, and frequent delivery of working software. Teams can quickly adapt to feedback and refine their processes, which leads to higher quality products delivered faster. Let me know your thoughts about the Scrum basics in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with new content.